Listen up, it's the secret sauce. And secret sauce is, hey, what's one thing that's working for you, your business model, your businesses that you think other owners could implement into their businesses to maybe help them improve it?
I would probably, this is probably something people say a lot, but it is people. And I would say that people, when you watch football teams and they have coaches, or you watch anything in life, people start to emulate their leader. So if I'm in here acting like a hothead and screaming and acting irrational, your management is going to take on that. They're going to take on that role. If you're having struggles or you're stressed out, they're going to reflect you. They're going to emulate you. So I think that you got to get the right people. You got to have the right attitudes in those people, especially if that's who's interacting with your employees and your customers. An excellent customer experience is what people should sort of, and I try to ingrain, there's wording. I was a marketing guy, right? I was in sales. I was an area manager for GE. So I have signs up all the time, customers are the reason we have our job. Don't be combative with customers. They're not lying all the time. Sometimes the machine doesn't work. Go understand the situation. And like I said, when someone says something ate their money, I said, first time, I always say, just do it, right? You don't know this person. If 2 or 3, I've had people 2 or 3 weeks in a row say there's a problem, and I'll go out there and I'll be polite with them. I said, there's obviously something you don't understand about these machines, or they don't work correctly for you. So this probably isn't the right laundromat for you. There's one, whatever the nearest location is. I said, maybe you should try that one. Maybe it'll be a better fit for you. I don't say it angrily or meanly. I just say it very plainly like that. And I've had 2 things happen. I have some people that don't come back. Some people do come back, but all of a sudden they stop complaining because they know that you're going to tell them that you don't want all customers, but you do want 99% of them. Right. Well, maybe 95%.
Yeah, right.
And I also believe too, though, when you have a customer acting crazy, I'll tell them they need to calm down or leave, because some people don't understand, that's affecting other people. That they're uncomfortable because this person's screaming, yelling at their kids and being nuts. And it's, like I said, it's this delicate balance, right? you're always walking a fine line, but I do believe it's people. This is the secret sauce. I believe that we should, I am good at certain, I would say I'm excellent. Actually, I'll even say that I am excellent at certain aspects of business and life, but there are stuff that I would rank myself as at poor. And the things I'm poor at, I hire people to take on those tasks.
Love that.
And don't be afraid to. Like I said, if you're not good at something, not everybody is good at everything. So hire the right person. Like I said, I was terrible at scheduling. I kept on conflicting stuff. So I have a manager. They do the scheduling. They deal with it when they're switching shifts. And that way, like I said, I would schedule 2 people. I would schedule one person to work at 2 different stores or something. And at the same time, I was terrible at it. I don't know what's wrong with my brain, but I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Or I would give someone 8 hours and they're like, why did I do something wrong? And I didn't realize I wasn't even given, I'm just filling these boxes. I'm not paying attention to who has how many hours. And like I said, I was terrible. I don't want to get into it. I don't do it anymore. I won't do it because it's causing conflict and I didn't mean to.
And you got somebody good to do it for you. So,
yeah.
I think that's awesome. That's a huge secret sauce. That's hard to do when you're first getting started. I hear people talk about that a lot. And I remember, just getting started. It's like, well, how do you hire somebody when you don't really even have enough money to hire somebody? So that's really hard to do.
And you can't at first. When I was first did this, it was me and one other employee. I worked in the stores. I don't work in them anymore, but I did at the time. And physically being an attendant. And you can't, at the beginning, you have to be all things. And you just got to get YouTube pulled up. But I'll tell you what, it's not hard to schedule when you have one employee.
Right.
Everything was infinitely easier. Well, I would even think about getting a loan now. To get a loan, it is no easy task for me to come up with financials. They change from month to month drastically. So it used to be easy to put together a financial statement. Now it's it takes me 4 people in 3 days, compiling information to put together a financial statement that's true and accurate.
Mm-hmm.